Friends, welcome to my new series of Python programming, Python Basics. So Python is a high-level programming language that is processed by the Python interpreter to produce your results. This is our Python IDE. Look at the screen. This is also called Python shell. In the beginning, I suggest you to go with the C Python distribution. There are several ways to run your Python code. For example, Anaconda Python, Jupyter Notebook, but in the beginning, I suggest you go with the C Python distribution. For this, you have to go to the website dot this is python.org. By simply clicking on this site, you can download latest version of a Python IDE from here. If you want to download the older version, there are a list of older version also. And if you have a different operating system other than Windows, for example Mac and Linux, Unix and any other operating system, you can download this from you can download a suitable IDE according to your requirement. By clicking on this, your download will start. You can watch my video of installation of Python, link given in description box. So this after installation, this is our Python IDE, and this is a interactive mode. What do you mean by interactive mode? As the name suggests, interaction. Interactive mode of working means you type the command, one command at a time, and the Python execute the given command and gives you output. आप यहाँ पे पाइथन की एक छोटी सी कमांड रन कर सकते हैं और आपको यहीं पे इसकी आउटपुट मिलेगी. एंड दिस मोड इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर टेस्टिंग योर कोड्स. You type the command one by one and get the result and error also. If you done the error, it gives you the error also. For example, this is simple command of mathematics. X is equal to 20 and you can see the output. You just type X. Now this is output. X is equal to 20. It gives you the output at same time. But if you give the error, for example, you type 20 is equal to X. This is a syntax error. So Python shell gives you the error also. Syntax error cannot assign to the literals. So what do you mean by this error? Let's see the हम future में देखेंगे. Further देखेंगे. This is our interactive mode. Back to interactive mode. Any other command, for example, y is equal to 5. You can do any arithmetic operation. For example, x plus y, x multiplied by y. So 20 into 500, 20 plus 5 is 25, and you can run any command, There is also another mode, also called script mode. Again, there is another mode called script mode. If you want to save the commands, if you want to save all your commands, these commands are not saved. For example, if I close this and run this again, so my old commands are abolished. But if you want to save all your commands for future reference in the form of a programming file, you use a script mode. This is a script mode. This is a script mode. Click on File, New File, and the new window is open. This is our script mode. This is our script mode. For example, our first command of Python is use of print function. Print hello. Remember, hello is a string always enclosed within double quotes. This is a syntax of Python. Means आपने जब भी string लेनी है, string means collection of characters, you have to enclose string within double quotes or single quotes. For example, print hello. If you want to run this code, click here or press F5. But this file is not saved. You cannot run the Python code without saving your file. Remember, you cannot run. If you not save the file from here and you run the code without saving, Python prompt you. Save, a source must be saved, okay to save. Means आपको save करना ही पड़ेगा. वो आपको कहेगा इसको save करो. ये आपके, this is a location of your computer. Choose any location. For example, I create a new folder, basic Python here. uh, there is also p1 file. I save it with p2. So this is our source file. So this is our output. तो व्हाट इज स्क्रिप्ट मोड? स्क्रिप्ट मोड में हम कमांड्स टाइप करेंगे, वो हमारे फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए स्टोर होंगी, और आउटपुट कहाँ आएगी? हमारी पाइथन शेल में, राइट? In future reference, you just open p2.py, p2.py, and you can see what is that. What is the command? What is the command? Is print hello, and now I addition welcome. Now this is a single quotes. So in Python you can work with single quotes also, and if you want to run this code, source must be save. अब दोबारा उसको सेव करने की जरूरत नहीं है, this is सेव हो जाएगा. So hello welcome. Now output is hello welcome in a separate line, because you have to use two print statement. So that's why hello and welcome are in separate line. तो separate line में output आएगी. Now if you want to see the output in the same line, you use and. Remember, use and. And is a keyword. And is equal to anything you want to insert between these two lines. For example, I need a space. If I run this code, now see the output. Hello and welcome are in a same line. This is the use of and. By use of and, you can insert anything between hello and welcome, and the output will come in a same line. For example, you want to insert a blank or star, and you run this code, hello star welcome in a same line. Hello star welcome in the same line. If you want to see the output in the same line, use and. You can see my video on based on and in a link given in description box also. What is use of and in a Python? Page number 5 in a book. Okay, so I write page number 5, chapter 1. This is a reference for me. मैंने अपनी reference के लिए इसके ऊपर एक heading दे दिया. But if I run this code, Python give error, invalid syntax, because this is not a syntax of Python. This is a simple English. So if you want to give anything extra other than a Python code, use hash symbol. Use hash. So what is hash? Hash is a comment. Hash is a comment in a Python. Comment means the lines begins with the hash sign ignored by the Python interpreter. Means, for example, this is our program number 1, या हम कह सकते हैं कि आज हमने इसको रन किया. This is our program number 1, chapter number 1. या हम कह सकते हैं this is a reference is used. मान लो 2 lines की reference है, तो then use hash sign here. What is the use of and in Python? Use of and in Python. So these two are the comments. You run this code. Python interpreter इनको read नहीं करेगा. Python interpreter not read these 2 lines, and output is same as previous. Hello star welcome. So hope you understand. So now again I take a new file. Now this is working with variables. How variables work in a Python? For example, any variable, for example, x is equal to 10, and print statement. Now look at the screen carefully. Print x. Run this code. Before running it must be saved. तो ये Python नहीं कर देना है. हम इसको बिना सेव किए रन कर ही नहीं सकते, और अगर हमने कर भी दिया तो Python asked you to save it. Again basic Python. This is our program number 3. This is our program number 3. This is our output. Python shell. If I run this code, print x means x की value. x की वैल्यू है 10. For example, if student put the double quotes here and run this again, so output is x. Output is x. Is working with variable. For example, this is x. I put y. So there is no variable named y. It will give error. So Python can handle error also. Look at the screen. Name y is not defined. Name y is not defined. Means वेरिएबल होना चाहिए प्रोग्राम में, तभी उसको यूज किया जा सकता है. वेरिएबल मस्ट बी इन अ प्रोग्राम with valid name. That's why then you can use your variable. Otherwise, it will give error. Okay. So this is our x. For example, I print for example x is equal to. So if we run this code, the output is x is equal to. And if you want to print the value of x also, then I write print x. Again I run this code. Now look, this is our code and this is our output. X is equal to 10. So I want x is equal to 10 in the same line. I want x is equal to 10 in the same line. So no need to use handle. Just put x here. Now this is our string and this is our integer. So I put comma between them. If I put a comma between them, then it will give x is equal to 10. We concatenate string with integer by putting a comma. Single print by putting a comma. We concatenate means हमने join कर दिया x is equal to string को और x हमारा variable. Okay, this is the right way to put your output in a Python. इस चीज का ध्यान आपने रखना है कि x है तो x is equal to. यहाँ पे हमने लिख दिया L is equal to. We put L is equal to. So Python will not handle this. तो L is equal to 10. Value x की आएगी, print हम L करवा रहे हैं. That is not handled by the Python. That is our duty. That is our duty to handle this type of mistakes. Okay. So this is x is equal to. For example, we have a two variable, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. Now I put x plus y. So what is the output? X is equal to 30. What is the output? X is equal to 30. That is not a little bit right, because we have to perform the sum. We have performed the sum in the right way, but we put x is equal to 30. Instead of x is equal to 30, what is the right method? Sum is equal to 30. So if I run this code again, look, sum is equal to 30. That is more appropriate. ये ज़्यादा बढ़िया लगेगा. Sum is equal to 30 instead of x is equal to 30. ये हमने देखना है. Friends, look at the screen. Once again, look at the screen. For example, I write sum of उसके बाद space x. Sum of x and y is x plus y. Sum of x and y is x plus y. This is string, this is integer, we put comma here. Again, and is string, y is integer, we put comma here, and we put comma here also, because this is also concatenate with and. Again, same in case of is, concatenate with x plus y and concatenate with y. And if I run this code, the output is sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Instead of x plus y, you have to you can take extra variable. For example, x z is equal to x plus y, and instead of x plus y you replace with this z. Now sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So this is your basic of Python, how to perform a sum of two numbers, and string must be enclosed within double quotes or single quotes. String also enclosed in triple quotes, but we take it in another video. So this is our basic of Python, how to perform a sum of two numbers. So friends, there is a question answer session. You can download these question link given in description box. Extra question are also there. What is the exact output of this code? Remember, I use AND here. I use AND statement here. And what is the exact output of this code? There are some comments. So another question you can also download the link given in description box. Take care. Bye bye.